Facebook has over 3.2 billion users across its platforms. Are you taking full advantage of this audience? There's a good chance that your audience, whether you're a B2B company or a B2C company, your audience, those eyeballs, they are on Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger. These are platforms that you need to have a presence on. And there are a few ways we do this at Merged Media. First of all, we leverage organic content. So making sure that you're posting on a regular basis. Now, posting organically may not bring in the bank, but what it is going to do is complement all the other efforts that you're making online. So posting on a regular basis gives you that presence, but also shows that you still are active and active as a business because you're active on your social channels. Second, leveraging paid advertising. So using paid ads to stay top of mind with those people that are spending time on your website. Taking advantage of that Facebook pixel that sits on your website so you can retarget those users that are spending time looking at your products and services. This is critical. And also getting in front of those people that are engaging in your content, people that are looking at your video content. These are all people that are familiar with your product or service and allows a fantastic opportunity to get in front of them again and again. Typically, it takes 7 times for a user to see your content for it to actually stick and for them to pay attention to your content. Next, optimizing your Facebook business profile. Making sure that your cover photo looks good, looks presentable, is not cut off. Meta, Facebook, Instagram, they often change the layout of their platform. And if you have not changed your cover photo in a few years, there's a good chance that it's not particularly optimized for the platform. It might be cut off. Also, making sure that your cover photo looks good on mobile and desktop because it is a different experience and a different view on each of those platforms. Also, ensuring that that profile icon is looking clear and crisp as well. It's a direct representation of your brand. You want to make sure that you're not using text that is too small or too little. At Merged Media, we fully optimize the business page before running any sort of advertising. Also, active community management is very important. Making sure when people are leaving you comments on your ads or on your organic social content, somebody is there to respond, even if it's just a compliment for the business. It's great to give that user a notification that you have engaged or acknowledged their comment. Also, using and leveraging reporting to know what's working and what's not. If you're running any sort of paid advertising, you need to know the importance of the insights. Did you know that users that are aged 65 plus are engaging mostly on Facebook related content? So if you're optimizing for clicks and engagement, there's a good chance you're going to be getting your ads in front of this particular audience if you don't adjust the age and the age setting in the ads. Okay, like users that are 65 plus have a much different behavior than users that are Gen Zs. And lastly, integrating your entire social media management approach, making sure that content that goes on Facebook is different than content that goes on LinkedIn. And when I say different, it could be different sizes of video, different sizes of images. If you're talking about Instagram Reels or Instagram Stories, these are all different sizes and require different pieces of social media content. Now, this is something we do at Merged Media. We take that heavy lifting off of your plate and become the social media experts, fully understanding your business and how you can make the most out of social media.